right now being tested. KDFW serves the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Monday, partly sunny with a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning, then mostly sunny in the afternoon. Not as warm with highs in the lower 80s. North winds 10 to